All right, I am super excited to go through this stretching routine with you. It's going to feel so good for our bodies. All right, so to start off, we're just going to do a nice big inhale up, bend, breathe in, come up, exhale. Again. One more time. This time, come forward. Sweep your arms down on the ground. Roll it up, kind of rounding that back. Come up. And again, we now sweep forward. Come down. Roll it up. Keep that core nice and tight. Bring it up. Last time, come forward. Sweep it up halfway. Hands go to your knees. Push your shoulder down, feeling a nice twist in your back. And then the other side. Twist. So good to do some stretching exercises to keep that body getting full range of motion. We push there. And one more time. Here we are. I want you to come now, step a little bit wider, keep the weight on your heels, and just go side to side. Like I was saying, keep the weight on your heels just like that. Isn't there something about the old hymns? Even though I didn't go to church when I was little and I didn't grow up hearing them, there's just something about them now that I love to listen to. All right, toes facing out. Take your opposite arm on the opposite leg and twist. Holding there. And let's come to the center. Hang down. And then let's now go to the opposite side. Hand on the outside of the knee. Hip up, twisting. Back to the center, hang down, let your head hang, everything hangs down. And now, opposite knee, and now try to raise that arm up. Go to the center, and now switch to the other side again. Go to the center and let's roll it up, all the way up, and come forward down. Keeping the hands on the ground, we're going to bring our feet back. I'm going to show this to you at a different angle, right here. Now, be alive with this stretch, pushing up the spine. Weight is equal in the palm of your hand. Toes are tucked. You're on the ball of your foot, pulling your core in. Holding it there, really lifting through it. I'm going to bring one leg forward. Now I want you to take that foot, turn that toe slightly out. Put your back knee down. And if you can stay right here, but if you can, try to drop down. And just hold it right here. Relax and breathe deeply. Now come up and take that front foot, tucking it in and extending that other leg back. And again, you can stay right up here, or you can drop it down, or you can come all the way down. Do some nice deep breathing. Relax, don't fight the stretching. While you're just relaxing here, listen to the song, listen to the words. Let this be a chance for you to truly just worship, to thank God for all that He's already done. Let's try not to just think about what He can do for us in the future, but let's thank Him for what He's already done. Go ahead, come up, tuck your toe, back to that plank, holding it, but now I want you to drop your hips, lifting up the chest, looking upward. Go back to plank, pulling in on the core, nice and strong. Drop those hips again. This is important. It opens up our hip flexors and we stretch out our core. Keep strong in the arms. Don't let your shoulders come near your ears. Keep your neck long. And back to plank. Core pulling in. Now bring the opposite leg forward. Again, turn the toe out. And then put your knee down. And if you can, drop lower into this. Keep the weight on the heel of the front foot. Breathe and relax into this. How great thou art. How great thou art. Now come up, take that foot and twist it inward. Come down and stay here. You can come lower. How great thou art. How great thou art. When Christ shall come. What is it right now that you need to turn over to God? Is there some area of your life that you're struggling to trust Him? You don't have to hide that. You don't have to pretend that it's not there. Talk to Him about it. Sometimes one of the biggest things we need to say to God is, God, help me to believe. Help my unbelief. Come up, and we're going to roll it over onto our back. We're going to cross one leg over the other. Okay, push that knee outward. Now keep your hands down at your side. Lift the foot up, pull it in, and then heel to the ground. And up, and push down. Just like that. It's a nice way to stretch out your hip. It also strengthens your core as you push and resist. Keep breathing. Let's do that one more time now. And we'll switch to the other leg. Again, cross it over, let that knee come away, and then bring it in and push down. You're resisting the pulling in with this foot, and then you push down. Keep that core nice and strong, just like that. Love this to kind of loosen up this hip area. Amazing grace, how sweet. Two more. And one more. Okay, we extend out that leg. Core nice and strong. Arms overhead. We just reach up and down. Not too fast. That's it. Keep that core nice and strong and breathe deeply. One more. And then we'll switch legs. Bring it up and down. Amazing grace I have. Amazing grace I found. For Christ has a few more here. Be sure you're controlling your leg as you bring it down. Two more. One more. I'm going to lay on my side now, having my head in a nice neutral position. Bottom leg is bent and bring it slightly forward. My top leg goes back and then forward. Back, feel the stretch here, bring it forward. Back, good, and forward. Your foot is always hip height. Just feels so good to get this movement. One more. All right, we'll go to the other side here. Right here. Again, head in a nice neutral position. Bottom knee forward. I bring it back and forward, just like that. Good. Don't just swing. Really use the muscles to pull it forward and back. That's it. Forward. Just a few more here. And one more. All right, we're going to roll it over and go into a plank position. Again, lifting up through the spine, up on your core. Pull it back and forward, low and up. Back, forward, plank, low, elbows in. Stretch out the hip flexors and core. Back, forward, low. We'll do 3 more like that. Now put your knees down, pull your hips back, hands way out in front of you. Put your knees a little bit wider on this. Reach forward with those hands. Feel the stretch in your lats. What are the things that you can right now be thankful for? What are the things in your life that you just know are a gift from God? And if you think about it, really anything that we have is a gift. It's a gift from God. He has chosen to let us breathe. He has chosen to give us faith. Let's bring our hands to the left. Pull back. And walk your hands the other way and pull back. Jesus, take all of me. I run to you. Let's come up. We'll sit down here. Legs wide, feet flexed. Okay? For some of you, just sitting right here is enough. And you can stay right here, or you can turn your body and pull down. Feel the stretch in that hamstring. Some of us are just a little bit more naturally flexible in certain areas and tighter in certain areas. But even those areas that we're really tight in, we still need to stretch them and work on them and improve our flexibility there. Let's go to the other side and pull down over that leg. Continuing to breathe deeply. We'll come in to the center. Legs come underneath us. Hands go forward, legs shoulder distance apart, and roll it up. Come forward. Roll it up. Now when I come up, I want you to grab your hand here and pull over to the side. Feel that stretch down the side, core nice and tight. Great, let's go to the other side. Grab that wrist, pull to feel that stretch all the way down your side. And hold that. Come center, come down, and just one last inhale up. you to breathe in that faith, that peace, that trust that comes from God, and exhale any stress or worry. Thanks for doing that great stretch with me.